how to change the light bulb in 2013 to 2017 Toyota Avalon. I'm going to show you how to do it. Go in here and pop your hood. Feel for your latch. Pull your hood up. And what you want to do is look down inside of here, and right there is the high beam. Right here. Over here, and as you can see on this high beam, it's straight up and down. That tells you it's seated right. Over on the other side is the low beam, and the low beam, as you can see, is turned kind of crooked a little bit, but that's how it locks itself back in. So when it's turned back that way, it's in right, and you shouldn't have a problem. But to get to it is a little bit different. What you'll have to do, if I can get my hands there, is right here, those little flaps right there, they're actually locks. You want to pull those back, don't pop it, pull it back, and then wiggle it off the low beam. Because if you don't do this, you see this line is real short, and it's not going to turn when you go to turn that light bulb out, and it's going to cause you problems. So once you disconnect that, now you can come to this here light switch, and you want to push it in. It's kind of tough, but you push it in, and there you go. You pull it out. Replace the bad one with the new one, put it back in, and you do the reverse process and lock this back onto it. And you're done. And that is how you change the lights. Click, subscribe, and like. Thank you very much for your time.